For the harmonies, this two is for the amplifier, big amplifier socket, and this to the also to the amplifier, big amplifier. Okay, this one to the small amplifier, and GND. Okay, we go. This package is original. See, original cable package. We go send this. You see this one? This cable is for surrounding speaker. Right here. This one is a surrounding right side speaker. And this one is a rear surrounding speaker. This left side surrounding tweeter. This is a rear surrounding tweeter. Okay, this is for the surrounding. Install on the pillow D. Okay, pillow D. And these cables, you see these cables. This cable is for the steering. This is left steering speaker. Left. And this is for the middle. This one is for the middle steering speaker. Middle. And this one is for the rear steering speaker. Okay. And this one is for this cable. We're going to from the sunglasses. Steering is this steering. Okay. Steering this, and sunglasses this. Okay. On this one. And go here. You see this? This one is for the subwoofer. The big one subwoofer. Okay, we go. This you see this right here is left rear for left door rear. And this two is extend cable. Here had three cables. One's for left rear tweeter. This is left rear tweeter, and this one is the left rear subwoofer. This one subwoofer, and this left rear middle speaker. 4 door same like this. This is left rear door. You can see there are only two cables for extend. But here has three cables, right? Because we share. There's one cables we share with original cables, original speaker cables. Okay, this for the left rear door. We go here. This for the left front door. The same subwoofer, and tweeter, and middle speaker. Okay, the left front door, and this two extend cable. This for left side. We go to here. Here. We see this one. This one is for the subwoofer. Subwoofer for the front full carpet, under the front full carpet. This one. This left. Go to left, and this one go to the right front full carpet. For the subwoofer. Okay, and this is go to the center speaker. Center speaker on the dashboard. This tweeter. This means tweeter, and this means this is the middle speaker. Tweeter, middle speaker. This for the center speaker. Down, and this right side. The same like left side. This right front. This one is subwoofer, and this tweeter. Another one. This one is the middle speaker. Okay. Also, there are two extend cable for the right side, the right side door. Two for the front door, two for the rear door. Okay, same. This is the right side rear door. Same, right side rear door. right side rear door here, right side rear. I put here. You see that? This is for Twitter. For Twitter. This is for Twitter. Twitter. The green one is for the subwoofer. And this gray one is middle speaker. Blue one, Twitter. Green one, subwoofer. This one for the center, the middle speaker. And this is the cables for the communicate. The fuse, two fuse for the two, and a small fuse for this. This is installed to the on the rear trunk, right side. Okay. This is the location for this kit. If you know how to check the system, band system, then you will know it. If you don't know, let me know. Okay. This is the counting station. If you are interested in this, please let us know. This cable is complete, totally original one, no aftermarket. You see the details is quite different with the aftermarket. Parts number here. Okay, parts number here. So before delivering, I check this for you, and then when you get it,